We are so excited to see cooler temperatures here in Port Aransas, and with the cooler temperatures comes updated real estate market numbers. Let's check out the latest market report for the end of September.
Hey everyone, it's Carl and Laura Staves, realtors with the Saltwater Shores team, right here in what we like to call our little sandbar of paradise, Port Aransas, Texas. Today we're going to get real and we're going to talk about specific numbers to see what's really going on with the housing market here in Port Aransas. The source of the data that we are going to be using is the South Texas MLS, which is the MLS used by the Corpus Christi Association of Realtors.
Overall, for the Port Aransas area, inventory, including homes, detached and detached condos, has significantly increased. There are currently 11.4 months of inventory compared to 10.4 last month, and definitely up from October of 2022 when there were only 4.6 months of inventory. As of the filming of this video, there are 155 detached homes and condos actively listed and 196 attached homes, townhomes, and other attached properties, making the total number of active listings 351.
A surprising new change is the pricing. The median price at the end of September was $820,000, up from $707,000 last month. What's going on? We've been seeing frequent price drops, so let's explore this a bit more. The current inventory is shifted into a higher pricing tier. At the end of September, 20% of the available properties ranged from $750,000 to $999,000, compared to 14% at the end of August. 40% of the properties range from $1 million up to the end of September, compared to 31% at the end of August. The overall amount of inventory hasn't really changed that much, but there are now more properties on the market at a higher price point than last month.
Data indicates the list to sales price in September was 91.8%, down from August of 2023, which was 97.8%, and September of 22, which was 98.3%. What does this mean for buyers and sellers? Well, there may be room for negotiations off the list price, keeping in mind that each seller and property is unique, as will be the negotiations.
Properties in Port Aransas were on the market for an average of 64 days. This means it took about 64 days from the time a property was listed until it went under contract. Once a property was under contract, it took an additional 42 days to close. The closing process typically involves inspection, appraisals, financing, title work, and other final details to complete the sale. When you add these two together, you get a total of 106 days. This is the average time it took for a property to be listed, go under contract, and finally close in Port Aransas in the month of September.
As of the filming of this video, according to bankrate.com, the current average interest rate for the benchmark 30-year fixed mortgage is 7.83%, falling 5 basis points since the same time last week. If you're planning to refinance, today's national average 30-year refinance interest rate is 8.2%, falling 4 basis points over last week. Overall, though, the rates are higher than last month, as we all pretty much already know.
The number of closings decreased, with only 20 homes closing during the month of September. Buyers are not moving as quickly as they did in previous years. This suggests a more deliberate and cautious approach to buying properties. Buyers are looking for more value for their money. This could mean they expect reasonable prices for the properties that they're interested in. Buyers prefer properties that are in good condition and move-in ready. This is a common preference, as it saves them the hassle and the cost of renovation or repairs. Investors are looking for properties that can generate income right away without the need for substantial updates or repairs. Some might consider fixer-uppers if they can be acquired at a lower cost.
Overall, it appears that buyers in this market are more discerning and price conscious than ever before, and they have high expectations for property conditions, especially for investment properties. This information can be helpful for sellers to adapt their strategies accordingly, and for buyers as well, since with a buyer's market, there are greater opportunities for negotiating a favorable price and terms. Keep in mind that real estate markets can definitely change over time, so it's important to stay updated with the latest data and trends in your local area. So we do publish monthly market updates. Please feel free to reach out to us, watch our monthly updates, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the data in this video, or if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate in the Texas Coastal Bend, please be sure to reach out to us and drop a comment below, give us a call, send us an email. Next time, we'll see you at the beach.